Hey, yo, what's up, guys? I just want to do something a little different today. I got beautiful Eulogy, Instruments of Mercy album. The song is called Exile Dial Tone. I believe the message is very effective. Even though it was released years ago, I believe it's very effective today, right now, with all my brothers and sisters in Christ out there that may be struggling with their boldness or speaking out. Just listen to the words that are being spoken from these CHH artists. Beautiful Eulogy, Humble Beast. Let's get it.
Every chance they get attempt to isolate and debate us. It's not that they don't like us, it's just they don't like God in us. It's common knowledge and oddly enough, it makes a lot of sense to a lot of us. We completely understand because we used to occupy the same space and lived in a similar type state until we tasted of God's grace. So we continue loving this world that so easily rejects us and passionately press past the lack of their cultural acceptance. As if there weren't enough problems for us gaining influence, we keep fighting over the issue of what's too worldly of a Christian to make a difference. So no matter how you hate it, or politically campaign it, whether you water it down and drain it, it's really all the same, ain't it? It's the same frustration, same constant segregation. Christians living like aliens trying to relate with citizens of a different nation. What always makes for a better presentation than bark and bite is a proper understanding of living life filled with salt and light. So we walk this fine line of walking in line of God's kindness and live with a sense of worldliness without the fear of compromising. Loving God and neighbor until Christ comes to split the sky or die in a society hailing Jesus as Messiah.